Okay, fantastic. I hope that you're still with me because I realize that this is the most technical part of setting everything up, but it is necessary in order for us to make this work. Okay, so I urge you to go back, and if you didn't understand, the steps or something, you missed some points or anything, go back and rewatch those lectures and go through it step by step. Take your time, it's there, and then go back to this lecture and let's continue with setting everything up in order for us to be able to send emails to our leads. Okay, so if you go to your account and go to domains, where it is, yeah, domains, you will see that whatever domain you registered in the previous lecture will show up. Okay, so in our case, it's the awesomesecretaffiliatemachine.com. Okay, so it's registered with ClickFunnels. It's 1 year. Okay, so we're good to go on that one. And now we need to set up this outgoing SMTP. Okay, so ClickFunnels, as I said, needs to know which server to send the emails from. Okay, so this might sound very techy, but it's actually a pretty simple and straightforward process if you follow the steps. Okay, so what I want you to do is go to sendgrid.com. Okay, sendgrid.com. Okay, and you want to go here and go on pricing. And as you can see, just, I want you to make sure there's a free account version. So you don't need to pay for any of this, okay? It's also, large businesses can go with the paid plans and everything, but we don't need that. We are absolutely fine with the free plan, okay? So you want to choose the free plan and then go down here and click try for free, okay? So that's where you're gonna create your own SendGrid account, which we will need in order to put in all the details ClickFunnels needs to know. Okay, so SendGrid basically is the server that sends the emails on our behalf. Okay, so you want to pick a username, a password, confirm the password, and put in your email address. Okay, so I'll do that, and I'll see you in a bit. So once you created your SendGrid account, it will ask you for some additional information about yourself, which is unfortunately very necessary in order for us to create our free account. But trust me, they won't bother you with marketing emails or anything. They just want to segment their customers into, whether they're a big corporation or just an individual trying to send emails through their servers, okay? So you can put in your first, last name, your company name, which can be the domain that you use, like the first part, in our case, the Awesome Secret Affiliate Machine. And then for the company website, you can put in the actual domain we just set up with ClickFunnels in the previous lecture, okay? So let me do that, and then you can, just do CEO or other, and how many emails do you send per month? You can start with 0 to 100,000. How many employees? 1 to 500, okay? Once you've filled everything out, we're going to set up everything within ClickFunnels. So, awesome. After that, you will see this screen right here. I put in my name as Gregson, and you will see your name right here. So this is the SendGrid dashboard, but we don't need to bother with any of that because right now we're gonna go back to ClickFunnels and set everything up and connect SendGrid. So ClickFunnels knows which server to send the emails from, okay? So we're going to go to your account on the top hand side and go to SMTP settings, okay? Click on that and you will see this page where it says send email with confidence. You're gonna click on the yellow button saying set up email sending, and you will see a couple of forms that need to be filled out in order for ClickFunnels to communicate with SendGrid properly, okay? Now, I could do this in a tutorial, and it would probably take me way longer than the tutorial that ClickFunnels did themselves for people like you who just get started with ClickFunnels and want to set up their email integration, okay? Now, if you look on the right-hand side, you see Setup with SendGrid, okay? And you want to click on Learn How. And it will open up a blog post by ClickFunnels themselves where there's a YouTube video explaining step by step how to pull the necessary data from SendGrid, which is right here, and put it into all of these forms in order for it to work correctly, okay? And it's pretty fairly easily done because it's only 4.5 minutes of a tutorial, you know? And this guy takes you through each and every step of which data to put in all of these forms, okay? And they also have a written tutorial. So basically everything that this guy explains in the video is written out in the written form for you to go back and check on each and every step that you need to do, okay? So please make sure to go over here and do Setup with SendGrid, click on Learn How, and go through this tutorial that ClickFunnels provides you with. And once you set everything up correctly and everything works fine, we're going to go back and set up our emails in the next lecture.